Hello and welcome to Holtonsfixit101. Today we are going to be talking about the DeWalt Airlock connection system. Welcome back. Now, the DeWalt Airlock system for connecting your shop vac or vacuum cleaner or dust extraction or whatever. Very good system that they've employed. This is the main body part. This will actually connect to your hose off of your shop vac, and it allows you to connect to all of these transitions, this being a threaded one, but they do come with a lot of just the push-in type to all your other accessories and tools. Now, I've put this one on here and this one on to the Traxel here, and I've actually epoxied this one into this evolution saw. I do have videos on all of these tools, so if you like to, I'll post a link, so if you like to go and watch those, you're quite welcome to. Now, it doesn't actually go just exclusive to DeWalt tools. I have other tools, as you can see here. I have my Traxel, which I've just done a video on Traxel modifications. I'll also post a link for that. And I also showed you the transition that I put on there so it'll take this connector. I've also put one on to the evolution saw, and I've done modifications to this saw so it'll take this as well. Now, this thing is very, very unique. It slides on, and I'll show you how it slides on. It slides on just like that, and you've got a twist ring just here, and you twist that up like that, and you cannot get that off. That's locked there. But the good thing about this is that it actually does go round as well, so you're not kinking up your pipe off of your shop vac. Very good idea. But DeWalt being DeWalt, they're starting now to bring out a lot of their tools with that connector all built into their machines. I have two examples of that here. I have my planer, which again, that will just go straight on the end of there, and you just give it a twist and it won't come off. Same goes for this circular saw. This is a cordless circular saw, but even so, they've still given you the connector on the end here, so you can slide that on, give it a twist, and it won't come off, and it does swivel as well. This is the main part that you would find that you would actually use when you're actually using any of these. And again, if I want to go onto my Traxel, again, that just slides straight on my Traxel and off it go. Very good idea. It takes off a lot of the dust. I've used this over the period of several months now, and I'm finding that a lot of the dust that I was creating with these tools, I've eliminated it. I would say a good 95% of the dust is now gone into my shop vac instead of actually being here, and I got no fear about the actual pipe coming off the end when I'm using the tools. This actually connects directly onto your hose off your shop vac. You can see here the hose is actually just the hose. It's no transitions or connectors on the end of it. It's just the hose, and this actually I was quite lucky to have the same size and everything else. I'm not sure. I think it's 35mm is so it seems to be a standard size now. But that screws onto there like that, and that's on there permanently. And you just change this over to whatever machines that you're actually using at the time. The other good thing about this system is, and it does come in about 7 different parts. It comes with this adapter here, which is the screw adapter, and then it comes with 3 of these adapters that go into whatever tool you want to use it for. Not exactly with DeWalt tools, but any other tools that you want to use. Now I've connected up 2 of these on the saw, one on the track saw, one on the Evolution saw, but I also have my Evolution table saw, and I've epoxied one of them into the actual end of there. So when I'm using the Evolution saw, I can just connect up my shop vac, off I go, no problem whatsoever. Now it does actually come with a clip on there, so you can put the clip onto your hose like that, and when you're using, say, like a tool like this, you connect that up and you can actually connect your cable into the end of here as well, and it goes like sort of in there like that, and like that, so you'll be able to hold the cable as well, so you're only pulling along the cable and the pipe at the same time. Very, very good idea. Now it comes with this angled connector there, as you can see, it's got a slight angle in it. That's exactly the same, it just goes straight into here, you give it a twist, and there it won't come out, but it allows you to still swivel that end. Now me being me, you know, having, you know, cleaning around all my tools and in machines that I have here in the workshop, I've also, with all my bits and pieces I've had from different vacuums and stuff like that, I've got a crevice tool, and I put my crevice tool on the end of there, and it now allows me to clean in the difficult areas and everything else. But it also allows me, if I wanted to go and use a machine or a tool or whatever, I can just undo it like that, straight off, and connect it directly straight into my tool. I got no messing around, none of this getting there and like they're trying to pull them apart. I just undo it, straight on the tool, no problem whatsoever. Now I bought these from our good friends at Amazon, and it's not a cheap system to have. It depends on where you get it, of course. That I found since then, I've actually found a couple of cheaper sites that for looking at what you actually get, you think, wow, that's still a lot of money, and it is for what you get, but it's a system that works, and it works very, very well. I will recommend this to anyone who wants to go and get this system to use, because it is so good. I've used it over the last 2 or 3 months now since I've had this, and I wouldn't do without it now. That's how good this is, and you know, it's brilliant. So anyway, that's the DeWalt Airlock system, and of course it connects up to most of the new DeWalt tools that are coming out, and it connects up to anything that you want to put one of these connectors into. So anyway, if you want to connect with me, you connect with me on the usual social channels. You know where they are. They're Facebook, Twitter, you know. And please leave comments down below, and I'll have an email address. I'll post it up here, and I will see you next time. And like and subscribe too, and use that bell icon. Bye bye.